Hey, what's up guys? This is PTC channel. So today I'm back from the videos. It's June 3, 2026. So let's go to unboxing videos. Yo, what's up? This is PTC channel. So I'm back from the videos guys. It's June 3, 2026. So ngayon guys, it's may nabili na naman tayong may dumating na naman pala akong parcel guys. So ngayon na siya dumating guys. Maybe 1 week. Ito isang Hot Wheels to guys. Hot Wheels yes. And guys, actually isa lang to guys. Papakita ko na sa inyo yung laman ng in-order ko guys. Kakarating lang nito guys galing Indonesia. So grabe guys, 1 week ko hinintay dito guys from dito sa Philippines. Napakatagal guys. So ayan. So let's go and unboxing this. So buksan na natin. Here's my scissors. Okay guys. Paano to open guys? So, dito lang natin siya i-open guys. Ayan, dito. Okay, so let's open this up. Pa sa kabila guys. Sa kabilang natin siya bubuksan sa kabila. Try natin dito. Oh, ayun. Okay. Diba guys? Alright guys. See you. Alright. Alright. Oh. Ito yung newspaper nila guys. Yung newspaper ng Indonesia. Meron pa sila guys. So, kaya lang hindi ko mababasa guys eh. Iba salita. Iba salita nila. Ito yung newspaper nila guys para let's open this. Walang free guys, so as in walang stick. No, that's what you get. So no stickers and no. Okay guys, ito yung binili nating Hot Wheels, oh. Napakaganda, oh guys. Ito yung Hot Wheels 1964 Dodge 330. Ayan guys, so kakarating lang talaga ngayon. Ayan. Actually guys, after 1 week na dinala dito sa Philippines, wala naman siyang damage. Oh. Sa likod, wala. Ang ganda guys. Whew, pretty nice. Ito ay Hot Wheels 1964 Dodge 330. Yan guys, nakalagay na dito sa ilalim ng car. At the bottom, nothing. The top, wala. Ayan. Ang ganda oh guys. Talagang hindi siya umuuga guys. Pag dito hindi umuuga, dito umuuga. Ayan, pag nakaseal siya. Ayan. Ganda guys, yan sa picture ng Dodge 330 Hot Wheels and Drag Racers 6 out of 10. It's made yan yung Mattel guys, made from Mattel. Ages 3+, logo Hot Wheels. Ayan. Pakaganda guys talaga. Wala akong masabi sa car na to. Napakaganda. Yan, nakalagay Hot Wheels Drag Team. El Segundo, California. Ayan, nakalagay pa guys. So, El Segundo, California sa may pinto ng car. Iba kulay ng sa unahan guys, yan, red wheels. Ayan guys, gray wheels. Ayan, nakalagay 330. Ayan guys. At the back of the packaging, ayan. And made from Indonesia guys. Isa't may ganito guys, galing Indonesia. Yan, Goodyear Dodge. Ayan guys. Pause it if you read. Ang ganda guys. If you like this video guys, so leave a comment and like and subscribe. And don't forget the notification. So bye guys. 194 subscribers na tayo guys. Subscribe guys. Subscribe. Like and subscribe guys. And don't forget the notification. Bye guys. See you guys next time. Bye.